Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna break down the sixth episode of Chainsaw Man. The episode begins with Hirokazu come from the upstairs. While going downstairs, the devil hunter realizes that something is went wrong. Himono and Kobani to make the place sign and not move. Himono then goes downstairs, but she also come out from upstairs. Aki enter one of the room. He noticed that on the other side of window is another room. He goes into it and then leaves through the door, but finds himself on the same 8th floor opposite the room he just entered. Denji confirmed it to say that the room on the other side of the window leads to the room directly across them. Aki then realizes they are stuck on the 8th floor. They attempt many things but in the end conclude that it must be a devil trap. They can't leave the 8th floor neither by going up or down the stairs. The windows lead to the room across them and elevator doesn't work. Going through the ceiling also result is going back to the 8th floor. Denji blame Power for killing the head demon. It may be have sealed before it died, but she immediately lies that he made her kill him, which Denji denies. Aki explained that it can't be true as the devil power will disappear with the death of the devil. Himono comment that it's the first time she has seen a devil which use such track. Hirokazu guesses that other devil hunter will come to help them, but Himono hopes they don't end up in the same trap as them. Kobani cries, stating that they will all die. She was forced to choose between being a sex worker or devil hunter as her family need money to send her brother to university. Seeing her crying, Power start laughing at her. Aki noticed that the clock all stopped at 8:18 and guesses that devil is able to stop the time on 8th floor and likely no one will come saving them. Denji gets happy as the world won't mean he can sleep as much as he wants. Hirokazu call him an idiot as they are stuck there forever. Denji restored that they may or may not be true and to wake him up when they figured it out. After a while, Himono wake up Denji and tell him that while he sleep they figured that water, slippery and electricity are still working. They also managed to get some food left by customers who had run away. Aki refused to rest and keep looking. Hirokazu was supposed to go with Aki, but he was too scared and locked himself in a room. Kobani went crazy, wanting to even drink from toilet, and Himono had to knock her out. Power has nothing else to do, so she is only thinking about winning a Nobel Prize and how human will treat her as if she was a god after she win it. She would then become a prime minister and make the consumption tax over 100%. Denji reassures or tenses Himono that Power is always like this, so Himono relax. While looking after Hirokazu and Kobani, Himono light her last cigarette. Denji notes she smoked the same brand as Aki, and Himono explained that she taught him how to smoke at some point earlier. Himono and Aki if he is smoking, but he denies as it is a bad for his health. Since Aki doesn't want to make friend, Himono guesses he become a devil hunter as he want to kill the gun devil. Since the devil hunter die young, he probably think that it doesn't matter if cigarette harm their health. Aki announced that he won't die easily and Himono hoped that in the case that is always too much trouble when a teammate die. Later Aki sees a woman slapping Himono, who then explained that said woman was the girlfriend of former teammate. As those family members can't take their grief out on the devil, they usually turn on the devil hunters. Aki then goes after the woman and put a wad of gum in her hair in relation, telling Himono that she should fight back when people hurt her. Himono is surprised but starts laughing later while having dinner. Himono give a cigarette to Aki, hoping that if they are going to be teammates for a while, he would start to smoke. Aki accepts the offering but Fob in his decision about being only cigarette in his life. Back at the 8th floor, Aki returns to the group, ask Himono if she has a cigarette, but she tells him that she is currently smoking the last one. Aki then approach her and ask for a cigarette, so she give it to him. Denji then blames them for an indirect kiss, but they ignore him. Aki then reveals that he has a bad news. The devil they killed is getting bigger and bigger. They hear something on the hallway and come out and see the hallway is blocked by a bob of flesh with eyes, arms, and more body parts. The devil call them stupid human and it want to have a contract with them. The devil want to eat Denji dead or alive, and it will let all other live unharmed if it get what he won't. Kobani then come out of the room holding a knife and telling Denji to let the devil eat him. She rushes at Denji, but Aki disarms her and Hamano knock her down. Aki tries using the fox devil but can't summon him, deducing that the place is completely scattered from the outside. The world sends the fox devil in Kyoto. Himono then uses her ghost devil, eating part of the devil. The devil scream in pain but it hurting but end up being bigger. The devil state that they are wasting their time as this isn't real body. His heart isn't there and this is only his stomach. The devil again asks them to make a contract with him. Denji guesses that it will still kill everyone, but Himono explains that as long as they abide the contract, the devil will have to do it too, and whoever break it first will die. Hirokazu also come out and suggests they kill Denji or they will die too. Aki states since the devil wants Denji dead, it must be beneficial to it how somehow, and he refuses. Himano also refuses, but Power is fine with killing him since she can't leave, she can't win her Nobel Prize. Aki states that a fiend can't from a contract, so if she killed Denji, the devil doesn't need to keep his word. The group spent some more time thinking. Aki stated if it necessary he will use his sword, but Himono forbid him. Denji wonder why, but Himono stated that if it come to it, she will rather kill Denji than letting Aki use his sword. Hirkazo see that all food is gone. He sees Power choosing, but she denies it, lying that Denji eat it all. Kibani then show up and blame Power for being unable to leave Hirokazu to claim her, but she guesses he must be spy for being on the devil's side. Power confirmed it, but Hirokazu denied being a spy. Kobani, however, approached him yelling he is a spy, scaring him. The devil outside then grows bigger and starts chasing Aki. Himono tells Denji it expands from fear. The devil state only he can kill Chainsaw, that he is eternity devil. The floor then turns 90 degrees. Hirokazu and Kobani yell at Aki and Himono to kill Denji. Aki decides to use his sword, but Himono uses her devil's own to stop him. She explains that if he uses his sword, they will get out, but the contract he made will shorten his life, so she can't allow it. Hirokazu jumps on Denji and Kobani attempt to stab him, but Aki manages to move and protect Denji with his body, allowing himself to be stabbed. Aki yells that he doesn't care if Denji get killed, but Denji wants to kill the gun devil too, as Aki knows he can't do it alone. Even he has less time to live, Aki needs as many devil hunter to fight with him as won't let Denji die. Denji asks Power if she can stop Aki bleeding. Power explains she can't control her own blood and controlling someone else's blood is difficult, but if Aki dies, she will lose the one who cooked for her. Guesses that Aki can die. Himono loses her cool and starts wondering what they will do. Kibani says that it's not anyone's fault but Denji, who could have avoided all this if he let the devil eat him. Denji then returns telling them he will let the devil eat him, but he will still fight him, so if he has a chance he will kill him, so Hiboni shouldn't forget her promise about the kiss. Denji guesses the devil is afraid of the chainsaw, which is why ask him to kill him. So as the devil was screaming in pain, the Himoni was attacking him. Denji decided to give it hell, then forcing it to kill itself. Denji is annoying the Aki, but this is for him, so stating that once they are out they will be even. Pulling the cord, Denji jump into the hallway, the face of Eternity Devil.